Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm having a great day so far because, as you can see behind me, the car is like already full of stuff that I thrifted at the thrift store today. So we are on our way. I'm very excited. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, do not forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store and go check it out. We're in the city of Santa Ana today, and this is like one of my new favorite little stops. I just started going here like fairly recently, and every time I've come, I've found amazing stuff. So cross your fingers for me, and hopefully we can find something amazing together. Gosh, it sounds so festive here. Let's go inside the Goodwill. All right, let's check out these handbags. The Lotus. There's a little coach right there with the fabric. Has some holes in it. Here's a little Brighton. Hush puppies. A little puppy. P.S. How cute is the store? It's not the biggest one, but it has some cute stuff. And it's a newly remodeled location too. So this tool is kind of cute. I actually got two of them. These are perfect for food. So I'm very excited about these. See if anything else is in here. I had to move because there's a lot of people walking by. Check it out. I think this is the coach. It is. Get it. Only, I think it's $20 is what it said inside. And that's why you always look in the luggage and like your backpack section too, because sometimes you find some treasure sitting back here. Is it Vera Bradley? It is, but it's super stained. This is the store where I found some gorgeous, authentic Louis Vuitton sandals. It was a few weeks ago. I've also found some pretty great bags here. So, oh, I found a Gucci wallet here as well, like a vintage one. So yeah, you can find some amazing stuff in this store. It's one of my favorite spots to go, like I said earlier. Now I'm just like constantly on the hunt. What if we find some Chanel or something? These Vince Camutos are actually pretty cute. They're size 5, they're so tiny. These Adidas would have been so cute, but it has like a weird bleach stain on it, which is unfortunate. Then, ooh, Ben Sherman. I like that green stripe there. Look at these fake Fendi joggers. I'm like 100% sure that they're fake, but they're so cute. I want to get them for Elizo. Ooh, this looks pretty. And then there's not Tiffany's, unfortunately. That's what I'm looking for. Tiffany's Crystal, Waterford, Baccarat, anything of that nature. Okay, look at how cool these like coral like statues are. They're $7.99 each. There's 2 of them. That's expensive. It's like 16 bucks. They're really nice though. I like them a lot. I also kind of like this, but I'm looking for one that's just all marble. So I'm on the lookout for that when I get one for the sink. The one that I have right now, I think someone accidentally like dropped it or something because it's like a little chip. So, yeah. I always get bamboozled by these Zach brand cups. I think they're Yetis. It's a serving tray. Does it have the original price? I'm gonna look it up. Isn't actually bad for a really nice ceramic tray. Right here are the comps. There's 125 on Posh, 45, 75, and that is it for that link. And then if you go to images, you can see more. Like this one sold, so you can see there it sold for $45. This one also sold $45. It's cute. I'm kind of living for all of the decor here at this store. Oh my gosh, what is that? Just going through the mugs really quick. This is pretty nice. Look at the faux botanicals. Those pumpkins are pretty cool. Ooh, shiny. Oh, it's $13. These are cool too. Oh, look at this. How cute is that with a little bird on it? Not for food. Might poison? Oh my gosh. So I'm looking through the dinnerware. Now that I just cleaned out the garage, well, still currently in the process, but I'm almost done. I'm like more cognizant of the stuff that I'm bringing in, but I mean, the stuff that was in the garage is like totally different from the stuff that I'm bringing in. I know it sounds like I'm in denial, but I don't see anything yet that's caught my fancy, so I think we're safe for the time being. Feliz Navidad. With that, oh, it's so cute. Oh, that's like a pretty cool lantern. I do have to say, it's $25, but it's half off. That I'm not gonna comment on this statue. It kind of looks like Poseidon, like our King Trident from Little Mermaid. So yeah, it's nice. It's $20. I really like this planter. It's $20 though. Hey, it's one of those 3-tier rolling carts. I remember these were like really, and like everyone on YouTube has that. My mom and my sister each have one. That's funny that I see it here at the Goodwill. That planter is pretty cute too, very like anthropology vibes. Sparkly. Oh, someone got like, all the heels are matching. BB. Chair. It's amazing. And it's 40 buckaroos. This is actually pretty cool too. Wow, that's nice. $15. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house. I'm really excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting today from the store because we got some pretty good stuff and I cannot wait to share them with you. And also, I love this store so much. Like, P.S. it's amazing. I don't know why I didn't go there as often as I should have, but you best know it that I go there at least once a week now just to see what what we can find. So, the first things I have here, I thought these are super cool. I'm always looking for these because I'm always looking for like ways to like elevate my tablescapes and home decor, especially but like dining table or like anything like for food. Like these are so fantastic. So not only can you use these decoratively, but you can use these for food to like elevate like your different dishes and stagger them, which is awesome. And these, they're like matching, but they're actually like different heights, which is really nice. So you have like the different food at different levels, and I just think it makes it so much more visually interesting, as well as just like beautiful and exciting. And I don't know, I really love these though. I'm very happy to have found them. I guess they were originally $58 for a set of 2, which is what it says underneath this little stool right here. But I got them for $4 each, which is $8, which is not bad at all. So, very happy. Cannot wait to use these at the next family gathering or whatever to set up the table. There's that. The next thing I have here, I got this for the kids. My nephews, they love Roblox so much. Whenever I see these pretty cheap, I pick them up. This was $4.99. I think this retails for about $20 or something like that. So, pretty good price. The box was a little bit broken, but everything seems to still be inside. So, yay, Roblox. Alright, so there's that. Then, up next, I did get the Lily Pulitzer tray. It's so beautiful. It's so heavy, but I love the details on it. I think it's so nice. It's like rimmed in gold, and then the rest is white ceramic. It's just stunning to put like on a table. You can put stuff in it. Beautiful. Love this tray. It kind of gives me like a modern and like Moroccan vibe all at the same time. So I thought that was cool. Then I got these pants for Eliza. I hope they fit him. I know that they're not real Fendi, like, but like they have like the little Fendi stripe down the sides. No like label or anything inside, but I just thought these were so cute and I had to get them. Again, I hope they fit him. They were $3.49. Oh, they also has the little F's right here. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. But yeah, $3.49 for some fake Fendi joggers. And then next, how much was this guy? I think this was 20. Yeah. Here we go. Next thing I have here is this Coach like briefcase tote bag in black leather. Top handles, crossbody strap. This has a multitude of pockets. There's a zipper pocket right here in the front, and then another zipper pocket right here that has 2 open pockets inside. So, okay, so far there's 2 big pockets. Then the middle area right here, which just has a snap closure, but there's also a zipper pocket in there as well. Then in the back of that, there's another zipper pocket. So it's like it kind of reminds me of like the Prada double zip tote, because it has like double zip. And then in the back, there's another open pocket. So this bag has so many pockets. It'll be great for like school, work, travel. It's beautiful. The leather is stunning. Does have some marks. We'll see if we can condition them out or do anything to them. But honestly, I feel like it kind of like adds character to the bag. Like it makes it look cool and like used and worn in and lived in. And you know what? Sometimes that effect is very nice. So there's that. Again, this one was $20. And that's going to end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys ever go to that Bristol location in Santa Ana, let me know. Comment down below if you guys like that store, have gone to that store, plan on going. And maybe you guys will see me. Who knows? Say hi. But if you guys enjoyed the video again, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your family. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to check out the sale too. I'm having a sale in the shop, 25% off your entire purchase until January 9th, 2020. And that is off everything in the store. Just make sure to message me first so I can discount that price for you, because the sale is only for you guys, the Thrift Squad. So it's for reaching 10K on Instagram, so I'm very happy about that. I'm so excited. Never thought it was going to happen. So if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, go follow me. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And stay tuned for the giveaway. There's going to be a giveaway on Instagram. There's going to be a giveaway here on YouTube as well. And that should be coming up very soon, within the upcoming week and a half. Anyway, that's it for the video. Don't forget to check out the new one tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye! Oh, that's like a pretty cool lantern. I do have to say, it's 25 bucks, but it's half off. That... I'm not gonna comment on this statue. It kind of looks like Poseidon, like our King Trident from Little Mermaid. I think it's nice. It's 20 bucks. I really like this planter.